Look at this, Josephine Hughes, her birthday balloon. She's ready for the cold weather with her hat on, and she's celebrating her second birthday. Josephine, a very happy birthday to you in Fredonia.
What a doll. In Girard, Sebastian Lohmann turning 6 years old this year. That's a great picture there of Sebastian. Happy birthday.
Connor Shepard with a 9th birthday. Is that one of those NASA shirts? I'm trying to see what that is. It is. I love those NASA shirts, Connor. Happy birthday, man. He's in Arma.
All right. Colson Gauger turning 13 years old this year. Colson celebrating in Fort Scott. Welcome to the teenage years.
Bailey Carnal, the big number 22. Bailey, a very happy birthday to you. She celebrates in Erie.
And out in Oswego, Nicole Smith. Happy birthday to you. Turning 24 years old.
I wonder how long I wonder, the cat is just like, okay, let's snap the picture. Let's roll, Miss Nicole. I've got things to do. That's a great picture. I love that. Joseph King, he is celebrating his 32nd birthday. Nice looking sweatshirt right there, Joseph. And I want you to have a marvelous day in Parsons.
All right. And one of our many four-state heroes, Mr. Bill Hickman, celebrating birthday number 83 this year. We love that throwback pic there, Bill. Bill is in Deerfield, Missouri.
Carolfleury, he is celebrating his 90th birthday. I'm a big fan of the headband right there. Carol, a very happy birthday in Arma.
Got him some wild hair going on
Love
there
that.
with that. All right, and Melinda Brown.
Ah!
How fitting. She is a Barbie.
That's great.
Celebrating her birthday on Barbie's birthday. Melinda is in Carl Junction.
If we have the wherewithal, it's one of those things, folks, that I'm going to tell you that I'm the guilty party behind this. Michael and his wonderful ideas. I think Michael's got wonderful ideas, and then of course they sit and simmer. If we were to do like a interesting, or I don't call it best, but like most interesting birthday pick that we got throughout the course of the year, Melinda got to be our clubhouse leader. Like,
Definitely for today.
yeah, that's cool as can be right there. Great idea. Sam Jackson, a very happy birthday to Mr. Jackson as he celebrates in Orinoco.
All right, and in Oswego, Cheyenne McQuibben. Happy birthday. What a beautiful smile there on Cheney. Hope you have a great day.
Special anniversary here with Gary and Susan Lofts as they celebrate their 48th anniversary. Now, they're both retired teachers. Susan, a history teacher, Gary, an art teacher. And in their retirement, they're still doing artwork. Now, get this, Gary's going to be featured on a documentary called Big Kansas Road Trip, and featured for a mural he painted on the wall of a building in Arma in 2009. Pretty amazing right there, and congratulations to Gary and Susan.
Pretty cool. All right, and
Who that is?
our very own Mr. JDub Mccoy.
Has he aged since you and I started here?
I don't think so,
I don't think so either.
because that's a recent picture. Because we just got those taken,
Happy birthday, my man.
and he looks just like he does when we started here. Yep.
He does, you're right.
He actually looks younger. What are you doing, JDub? I
go.
need your secret.
J-Dub's going Benjamin Button on us. How about that? Go and finish it off with a screen all to yourself, Miss Grayson, as she is now a teenager. Grayson Mclaren, a very happy 13th birthday. She's at Frontenac Middle School. Everybody up there, wish Grayson a happy birthday here before spring break hits. Here's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Speaking of our website, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Well, if you're familiar with one iconic